Are genetic tests like MTHFR valuable? Are they helpful or are they fake? Well, we need to first investigate, what are they testing? So they're looking at genes. Genes are enzymes that help make something. Think of them like factories. The factory needs to do something. It needs to pump out something. And we have cofactors needed to make that gene or factory work better. Well, in the genetic tests, we're making sure that your gene or the gene, we're looking at the size of the pathway that the gene is running down, meaning the genes can show us how wide a pathway is for things to move through your body. Think of it in terms of like a road. Is it a 4-lane highway? Is it a 2-lane highway? Or is it a one-on-one type of road? The genetic testing can tell us what is the size of our roads when we're looking at it. The other thing we need to consider is we don't really look at the assessment of the gene function in these tests. We don't see if we need to take something based on genetic testing. That's where functional testing comes into play. We need to see how those roads are, even if they are small roads that you were given in a genetic test from mom and dad. How are those roads functioning? Is there a traffic jam? So in functional medicine, this is where we look at tests such as stool testing to make sure there's not any critters in there. We need to look at B12, B6, folate, because those stores will tell us if we have enough of the ingredients to make the gene work better. So we also consider looking at homocysteine. Homocysteine is a function, a measurement of how that methylation cycle is clearing out of your body, or if it's jammed up at a roadblock somewhere. And we can also look at glutathione stores as well. That's really necessary for detoxification. And if your glutathione stores aren't there and you have some bad genetics to it, it might help you to bring in some cofactors to help make your own. Other tests we can look at are those cofactors. A micronutrient test is so helpful when we look at those cofactors because it'll tell us the different minerals and vitamins, that nutrients, amino acids that we need to make the function of that gene work better. So are they helpful? Yes, but in the right context.